Hello, I am Monica from Ace Vacuums. Ace Vacuums, your trusted vacuum repair store serving Virginia, DC, and Maryland. When your vacuum stops working, finding a reliable vacuum repair store is essential. Ace Vacuums, with locations in Fairfax, Virginia, and Leesburg, Virginia, is the go-to vacuum repair store for expert vacuum repair, warranty service, and appliance repair. We specialize in repairing all vacuum brands, including Miele, Dyson, Sebo, Ricker, Kirby, Orek, Hoover, Kenmore, Shark, Bissell, Rainbow, Simplicity, Titan, and Electrolux. As a certified vacuum repair store, we provide same-day vacuum repair services when parts are available and ensure that your vacuum is fully restored to peak performance. Whether you need vacuum suction restoration, brush roll replacement, motor repair, hose fixes, or electrical troubleshooting, our vacuum repair store has the expertise to fix it quickly and efficiently. Why choose Ace Vacuum's vacuum repair store? Certified vacuum repair technicians. Same-day vacuum repair when parts are available. Authorized warranty service center. Genuine OEM parts for long-lasting repairs. Free vacuum repair estimates. Central vacuum repair, installation and service. Appliance repair for carpet cleaners, air purifiers, and more. Ace Vacuum's Fairfax location, 11,110 Main Street, Fairfax, Virginia, 22030. Ace Vacuum's Leesburg location, 300 Fort Evans Road, Leesburg, Virginia. Call now, 703-997-9292. Ace Vacuums, the best vacuum repair store in Virginia.